place I've ever been.
Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're doing the daily trading recap for July 8th. We ended up only taking one trade. We had a few orders out, just none of them got into our price targets. And if we go over to our scan, we had a few, I think might have been game, or there was a few of these CARV trying to short, but they were just unshortable, so we couldn't even take those trades even that came to the areas we wanted to. So for our one and only trade, we did it on XYF. As you can see, it pushed up as market opened all the way close to the third deviation on the 4 hour and near enough to the fourth deviation on the daily. Then pulled back to our second deviation on the 4 hour. We didn't quite go along on that one. Would have been an alright call, but to me there just wasn't, I don't think there was pre-market, there wasn't any pre-market support or resistance, so it just broke through right away, so it didn't give me as much confidence that it would bounce back off that level on the way back down. However, using the third deviation on the daily at 1405, 1406 area, that was near enough to this bounce here, so and pulled back and then continued its break. So to me that just showed it was more likely to be a bounce area, so instead I chose to go along there. So we went long with 800 shares at 1405. We had a stop at, we can check, I can't remember, all orders. We had our stop at 1380. So yeah, we had a stop of around here, so we were risking 25 cents on the trade, so we were in with 800 shares, sorry. And so yeah, risking 25 cents, and we locked in profits on this move here. So you'll see though, we did lock in the majority of our size 600 shares, up only 15 to 20 cents. Reason for that is, as I said I think in yesterday's video, when it starts to consolidate off this level and doesn't bounce immediately, a lot of the times it will just consolidate and then more likely fail than succeed. So to me, one thing I am going to start doing, and even though in this case it did carry on its uptrend, I did like locking in profits in at 9. Next time I probably won't do as much, maybe half instead of 3/4, and then I can have a stop, break even stop, and then it just does mean if it starts to fail, we won't take a loss on the trade. But in this case, looked in some profits at the 9, looked in the some more at the next deviation, and then we hold some size, I think 100 shares up to VWAP. Reason we didn't lock it in at the 1511 or 1510, wherever VWAP was because it was more likely to, we want to make sure we get filled, because it could have quite easily hesitated at that $15 psychological level. That's it then for the trading recap. We didn't trade anything else. Another thing to keep an eye on though, if you are trading deviations, is you'll see it broke through our deviation and then came back to tap it. One thing I am keeping an eye on, and that's why it's handy to have all these alerts, because I can go back after market close and check how they reacted to it. So if I can see if a stock's been falling down, how often it bounces off the retest of the deviation, because that may mean if I see it a lot over the weeks and months, it could be a good way to add it into the strategy and get some more trades out per day, as long as it provides high accuracy. But that's it for the trading recap. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Definitely check out the Discord, it's in the description, and we're also opening up a investment banking Discord as well. If you want to join that, I will link it in the trading Discord, because that's already in the description. So I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.